Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the light reflection and refraction chapter, and this is the part 2 of this video. And in this video we are going to discuss about particularly how the rays are drawn. That means how the rules are followed for drawing in the ray diagrams and formation of different types of image. Let us start this session. So let us first start the rules for drawing ray diagrams. Rules for drawing ray diagrams. As we know, there are 4 rules for drawing ray diagrams. Number 1, we can say, suppose this is a principal axis, this is your mirror. The number 1 rule says, children, if a line is coming parallel to this principal axis, is a line, suppose this is your focus, this is your center of curvature, this is your optical. If a line is parallel to the incident parallel to the principal axis, then it comes through focus, reflected through the focus. Number 1. If a line is parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection it comes through focus. This is focus point. Next, number 2. If a ray is suppose this is your focus, this is your center of curvature, this is the mirror, this is the O. As first know that if a parallel, it returns in the reflected in the focus. In the second case, if a ray is incident through the focus, then after reflex it emerges parallel, it moves parallel to the principal axis. Number 1. Number 3, focus, this is your center of curvature. Let us write here this number. So this is the mirror and this is the optical center. So see, number 3 rules, according to number 3 rules says what? If a ray is incident through the center of curvature, after reflection it moves in the same C point. That means it is the third rule for drawing diagram. That means when a ray is incident upon through the center of curvature, then after reflection it passes through the same center curvature. Number 5. This is the number 5 rule. If a ray is incident making certain angles with the principal axis, then after reflection it emerges in the same angle, making at the same principal axis. Okay, the angle of this incident is equal to angle of reflection. This is the 4th rule for drawing ray diagrams. Okay, if again speaking, number 1, there are 4 rules regarding the drawing of ray diagrams. Number 1, if a ray is parallelly incident upon to the mirror, then it after reflection it emerges through the focus, parallel, then focus. If it is focus, then emerge parallel. If it is incident focus through the focus, then it is reflected parallel. Opposite of this rule 2. And in number 3, this is your number 3, this is your number 4. So if it is incident upon C, then after reflection it returns in the same or reflected in the same C. And if it is making certain angles with the principal axis, then after reflection it makes the same angle with the principal axis. These are the 4 rules for drawing ray diagrams. Let us see the image formations. image formation by concave mirror. Image formation by concave mirror. So number 1, let us see at infinity. Suppose let us write here this is the mirror, this is the principal axis, this is focus, this is your center of curvature, this is your optical center. When the body is at infinity, number 1, body is at infinity. So in this case what happens, the rays are drawn parallel and after reflection they move through the focus, so they will meet here and the image formation will be here. This is the image at focus. So when the object is infinite, then the image is at focus. The image at size of the image, size is your point sized, and nature real and inverted. This is the number 1. Number 2, when the object is at beyond the center of curvature. Suppose this is your F, this is your C, this is your the beyond the center of curvature means the body is at here. The body is beyond the center of curvature means in this towards this left side, beyond the center of curvature. Now draw the ray again. Number 1, this is coming parallel to after reflection it goes through the focus. Let us draw another one. If it is going to the focus, then after reflection it will merge parallel, then the image will be formed here. In this case, between F and C, position between F and C and size diminished, nature real and inverted. Okay friends, if here is our object is here and if it is moving parallel to, if this ray is moving parallel, then it comes to focus, and if it is focus, then it moves through parallel. This is the what second figure. Let us come to the some more figures. When number 3, when the body is at C, if the body or the object is at C, then what will happen? You see, this is one ray, this is the another ray. We can also say means here the image is formed at the C, same, so it is inverted. Position, this is your reflected ray, this is your incident ray, this is your reflected ray. So position at C, size equal size, nature real and inverted. Real and inverted. Next come to number, this is your number 3. Next come to number 4. Number 4, between the focus and the center of curvature. In this case, this is your focus, this is your center of curvature, between the object will be here, the between the center and center of curvature and focus. Let us draw the diagram. This here, what then this is the what image. The image will be formed at what, beyond the center of curvature, position beyond C, size enlarged, nature real and inverted, So see, this is the number 4. Let us discuss some more. At focus, when the image is the object will be at focus, number 5. At focus, when the object is at focus, what happens? Number 1 is, let us do this one, let us this 2 one. So in this case, what happens? The image is formed at what, infinity, position infinite position, size highly enlarged, nature real and inverted. This is real and inverted. Okay friends, this is the number 5. Let us come to number 6, between the pole and focus. Number 6, between pole and focus. The object will be here. In this case, what happens? Oh, the image will be found behind the mirror. The position behind, size enlarged, nature real and inverted. This is all about this rules for ray diagrams. Okay, fine, thank you.